Today we are going to take a look at the Wi-Fi Smart Bulb by Gosund. The package includes one bulb and one manual. First, for the installation, process. Make sure the power supply is disconnected before installing the bulb. After installation of the bulb, turn the power on and off 3 times to get the bulb to flash rapidly. Next, just connect the smart bulb to your app. Log into the Smart Life app. Click the plus button at the top right corner to add the bulb to your mobile phone. Choose your local Wi-Fi. Enter the correct password and then confirm. Wait for the configuration success, then tap Done. You can now use the app in your phone to set the light saturation and brightness. No matter which mode you are in,